Hello viewers, welcome to Programming Geek. I'm here with a new tutorial that is how to create simple calculator using Android Studio. Okay, start Android Studio. Android Studio is starting. Now I'm gonna create a new project. So click on File menu and click on New Project. There are many activities, basic activity, in bottom navigation activity, empty activity. You can choose any one. I just select empty activity and next. Name the application. My application name is simple underscore calculator because I'm gonna show how to create calculator in Android. Language Java. Click on finished. Okay, now the project is created. This is the main activity.java. Here I will go to perform calculate operation and the main activity main.xml. You can see there are two layout. Now I'm going to design this page with edit text number and button control to perform calculation operation. This is the hello world default edit text. Just remove, select and delete. Okay, now click on text and just drag the edit text number, and this is the concentration layout, and concentrate in the top and bottom and left right also. Yes, now this is edit text number 1 is done. Okay, now add another edit text. This is for number 1 edit text number, id is edit text number, and now add another edit text number. This is for edit text number, this is for number 2. Okay, now concentrate in first edit text and add button control. Click on button and just drag a button. Yes, okay, now concentrate in the bottom. You can see now I'm gonna add 4 button control for addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So just design with the 4 button control, button 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now finally I will add another edit text number to display result. Just drag and drop it. Yes, the edit text number 3 also added. Yes, now it's all are displaying perfectly. Just place it. Yes, it's done. Now start F, run F. Yes, it's running. Just I'm gonna see about the design, whether this design is okay or not. Okay, operation succeeded. You can see the edit text number 2 and button 1, 2, 3, 4 and edit text number 3 is in the left side. You see, this is default place. Default it's in the left side. If you want to place in the middle position, you should concentrate on the left and right. So you can see all the control edit text number 2 and button 1, 2 all are in the left side. So concentrate in left and right. Yes, this is button 1. Okay, button 3 and button 4. Yes, done. Now change the text of this button. This button control I will use to perform addition operation, so text is add, and second one is for subtract, and third one is for multiply, and fourth button is divide. Okay, finally it's done. Now go to the code. You can see this is the edit text, and button what I already added is displaying the design. Okay, now I'm gonna write code to perform calculation operation. First of all, I'm gonna create a method. This method I will use to perform add operation. So public void my method name is add view b. You should fresh alter plus enter, or you view and fresh enter. Okay, now I'm declaring variable for edit text number 1, number 2 and result. So edit text et1, this is the variable et1, and edit text find view by id r dot id dot the id of the edit text number what I added in the page, and I just copy and paste it. Yes, 82 and 83, and 82 for edit text number 2 and 3 for edit text number 3. Okay, my variable declaring is done. Now integer n1 is number 1, integer dot parse integer, this is et1. I just converting the variable into integer because I will put number, so et1 dot get text, yes, dot to string, okay, as same as edit text 2 et2, and yes, et2 for n2, I mean number 2. Okay, it's done. Now integer result will be this method for performing add operations. So result will be n1 plus n2, I mean number 1 plus number 2. The edit text number and edit text number 2, sum of edit text number and edit text number 2 will be displaying the result, and result will be in the et3, I mean result edit text. et3 dot set text total value will be result, yes. Okay, done. Now copy this method. I will add for subtract operation, and paste. This method I will use for subtract operation. So change the method name will be subtract, yes, and change the syntax n1 minus n2, I mean number 1 minus number 2, and result will be subtract value. et3 dot set text subtract value result. Okay, now this one for multiply, so just change the method name multiply and syntax into, and the result will be multiply value. And finally divide syntax is divide, and result will be divide value. Okay, now go to the activity main.xml and go to the design, yes. Now select button, add button, and go to the click event, on click, just select the method add in the on click event. Okay, just click on add, yes. Now when I'll click on the add button, it will perform the addition operation what I added in the method, add method. And same as subtract, multiply and divide. Okay, select divide, yes. Now run this app. Yes, you can see adding method requires an f restart, so you should restart this f. First of all, close this f and run this f again to apply this change. Run this f. Yes, it's running. Okay, Android is starting. Yes, your app is opened. Now let's check number 1, put number 1. Number 1 is 500 and number 2 is 50. Click on add. Yes, you can see total value 550. Now click on add again, see that total value 550. Yes, it's working fine. If I click subtract, it's 500 minus 50 equal to 450. And if multiply 500 into 50, 25,000. And if I click divide, 500 divided by 50, result is divided value 10. Okay, it's working fine. Thanks for watching this tutorial.